In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn your Hootsuite certification from start to finish. We'll go step by step so you know exactly what to expect, and I'll share practical tips to help you move smoothly from sign up to certification. First, head to Hootsuite Academy in your web browser. If you're not sure of the link, search for Hootsuite Academy and select the official Hootsuite result. This is Hootsuite's learning hub for social media professionals with structured courses and recognized certifications. Next, sign in or create an account. If you're new, set up a profile using a professional email you check regularly. Confirm your email if prompted and choose a secure password you'll remember. Keep your login details safe and private. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can explore available certifications. Now, choose the Hootsuite certification course you want. Read the course descriptions and look at the learning objectives and estimated time commitment. Pick the program that aligns with your goals, whether that's mastering the Hootsuite platform or strengthening your overall social media strategy. Some programs may require payment, so check the details before you enroll. Previewing the syllabus can help you gauge the difficulty and plan your study time. After enrolling, study the lessons and training materials thoroughly. Move through the modules in order and don't rush. Pause videos to take notes and revisit topics that feel challenging. Many lessons include practical examples and knowledge checks. Use them to reinforce what you've learned. Setting a simple study schedule, like a few focused sessions each week, can keep you consistent and prevent cramming. If there are downloadable resources or glossaries, save them for quick review later. When you feel confident with the content, take the certification exam. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and a quiet space so you can concentrate. Before you start, skim your notes and key terms one last time. Pay attention to instructions on timing, question format, and any retake policies. Read each question carefully, eliminate clearly incorrect answers, and trust the concepts you practiced during the lessons. Once you pass, download or share your certificate. You'll typically find it in your Hootsuite Academy profile or course completion page. Save a copy as a PDF, add it to your resume and portfolio, and update your professional profiles to highlight your new credential. You can also share it with your team or clients to showcase your verified skills. That's it. From accessing Hootsuite Academy to earning and sharing your certification. Take your time, stay organized, and you'll be ready to pass with confidence.